Hey kids, good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, whichever the case may be for each and every one of you. Yeah, we got another one. This one's going to be a little lengthier. Um, it was eighth grade, junior high. Yeah, it was a great time. I remember it very well. Yeah, I remember I and this local hottie when I first got there. She was 1 or 2 years older, and eventually she did become my girlfriend, but not for very long. But I tell you, it's towards the end of the week that we we decided to be boyfriend and girlfriend. And nothing really ever happened except for this one instance. No, not that. Um, it was a Saturday mid morning, just starting to warm up. I lived on a dirt road. Ain't dirt anymore; it's paved. And she lived at the other end of it. And I happened to look out the kitchen window and hear this beautiful blonde with a white sweater, shorts. I don't know if they were shorty shorts. I was just amazed to see it. I I know I babbled like a fool. I'm sure of it. And she went home, and afterwards, oh my God, I couldn't eat. I, I I still babbled like an idiot. I couldn't sleep. That's hormones and puberty for you, you know. But it was the last time I ever felt like that about someone. I won't embarrass her. I would like someday to tell her about it, though, how it made me feel. You know. Still, I reminisce, and I'm glad it happened. I guess this one isn't as long as I thought it was going to be. There's a few details there. Still to this day, I wonder how she's doing. Who knows? Before it's over, maybe I'll get a chance to at least tell her. All right, guys. It's good seeing you again. As always, peace. We're out.